Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add the contact information in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on the LinkedIn app and then click on the profile picture at the top left. Click on settings. Click on account preferences. Click on name, location, and industry. So scroll down until you find the contact section. So click on edit contact info. So you can enter your phone number here. You can enter the address where you're from. You can also put your birthday at your website. And once you are happy with the changes, you can click on save. And that is how you can add the contact information in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.